Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Sharepoint column type and internal name so PowerApps reads the values correctly. Next, connect the app to the exact Sharepoint list and refresh the data source to pull current schema. Add a combo box for multi-select or a drop-down for single select, then set items to the Sharepoint column values or the lookup list. Once done, bind the control's default selected items or default to the record value, because mismatched types cause missing options. Now you map fields and ensure the control reads actual display values instead of ID. For choice column use choices, at your list. Your choice column, for lookup use lookup, other list, ID equals this item. Lookup ID. If values are hidden, switch the control's value property to the display field. For large lists or non-delegible operations, collect the items into a local collection during onStart and set items to that collection, because delegation limits often cause incomplete option sets otherwise. Finish by testing the form flows. Create a new item, edit existing records, and confirm the selected value persists after save and reopen. Make sure to refresh the data source, clear the PowerApps Studio cache if needed, and republish the app to surface fixes. If values still fail to appear, check column internal names, verify user permissions, and inspect the app checker for delegation warnings. One key troubleshooting tip: recreate the control and rebind it. This often resolves stale schema or binding issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.